Amber C traffic, Yankee Victor Delta's break downwind, 09er, full stop. Uniform Golf Alpha, it's Yankee Victor Delta.
5 miles south of the airfield. We're going to right downwind off runway 09.
Go ahead, Yankee Victor Delta.
Yeah, Dan says that he had enough flying for day, that he'll go up with you another day.
Yes, sir. I have to. I'm running a little bit rough there, so I'm just packing in. I'm doing a left-hand downwind to 09.
Okay, we're just turning base right now.
Okay, I have you, sir.
Amber C traffic, Golf Flight Delta Echo, 5 nautical miles south of the airfield at 1.600. We're descending to 1,100. Going to right downwind off runway 09.
What's your position now, Bob?
I'm just behind you, sir.
Okay, roger that. Yeah, we'll break away and let you land here, Bob.
I'm all right. I'm going to make the field. I got it easily here, sir.
Okay, roger that.
Chart final runway 09.
Emergency traffic, Uniform Golf Alpha is on final for 09. Full stop.
Dan's going to meet you here on Alpha, Bob.
Okay, sir. I'm just about to land.
Alpha Echo on right downwind off runway 09. What's your stop and go?
What do you think, Dan? Huh?
She's not running very good.
No, she isn't. It was pretty rough. I was over the city and I'm thinking, just far enough away that I'm thinking, I hope I can make it.
Yeah, she's not running very good.
No, I'll just take her up and park her up there, Dan. Yeah, here you go. But
Smoking black.
oh, can you?
Smoking,
Yeah.
yeah.
Glad I wasn't a long ways away. Wind. Yeah, this is pretty rough there, eh? Oh, okay.
Yes, it's smoking. I seen you on final and black smoke coming out.
So that's trailing smoke on final. Nice.
It's like a fucking turbine coming in.
I always like to be trailing smoke when I'm landing.
Don't tell Irene for
Oh, God, God no. Oh, yeah, that's all she'd need to hear.